And the part where the wives find out that they're sick and bakulise bujonasi, that is very real. It happens in real life, so be careful.
Take it from me, don't make friends with comedians, because why, when I was asking for the premise of the show, The Polygamist, this is what I get.
In summary, from what I've seen on social media, someone is married to many people. Kuningi, 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 wow, pam, pam, wow, pam, pam, wow, pam, boom. Ne, yeah, then go to boom, boom, pam, 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 boom. And then, hey, yo, ah, yo, And then, yo, man, yo, man, yo, man. And then, boom, bam, boom, bam. And then, yo, yee, hypo, yee. That's what I've seen.
Ladies, I just finished watching The Polygamist on Netflix and I had to take a break from F1. It is an F1 weekend. Do you understand that? That is how serious this is. First and foremost, beautiful work. Once again, this beautiful story by best-selling Zimbabwean author Sunyati. Ma'am. And of course, brought to us by the Zuma sisters. What a beautiful production. 10 out of 10. It's something that I could definitely watch again. But I am so triggered. Another thing that's triggering me, everybody on my FYP is really, really triggered. I haven't seen any think pieces come up right now. Everybody is just in shock. I think let's get through this entire wave of everybody being in utter shock of Lomsangano. Guys, what's next? Surviving Jonas. Why are we all so triggered? It's giving Surviving Jonas is up next. Because what the hell is that? That nigga had to die. I love it when a woman takes control over the narrative and ends it where it needs to end. The wife, Joyce, killing her husband, 100%. And she should have done it sooner. I don't know what took her so long. And maybe this is a sign that as women, because men will never, ever, ever stop. When is it enough? Ladies, I'm so triggered. A moment of joy is that she walked away with all of his money. A moment of joy because he died. Guys, I've never seen such a thing. And it be really that deep. Ladies, a man can wake up in the morning. This guy woke up in the morning. He beat his wife up, raped her, proceeded to go to the second wife's house, beat the out of her too, and then raped her. Men do not know when it's enough. They don't know when to no. He had to go. He had to go. It was enough. I have never been so angry in my life, guys. I'm not one for the think pieces right now, but as a content creator, I just want to take it there for a second. Watching Joyce trying to control the narrative, trying to soft launch this without damaging her brand. And as someone who is so public as well, it utterly broke my heart on how much she tried to just not let things get out of hand, because there is nothing that is as painful as embarrassment from a man when you are so public. Watching that nuance, this is why I say it is so important to have women's stories being told by women, because watching that nuance, it did something to me. It hit a nerve, girls. And I know that it did for you as well. Beautiful. What's next? Simthuka Nilu Jonas. Yabo kwanele sisi. Ungaphinde uyenze intombazane lento leyana, ungaphinde sisi uyenze. Hey bo guys, yabo mathipha. Ya kwanele sisi ngiright ngawo njalo when you are on screen. She made me cry. She made me feel so weak. Joyce is stronger than me. What was the timeline of this whole thing? Like what? Like 2 or 3 years? My girl made me cry in one sitting, binging it all. I'm so uncomfortable and I'm so angry. Like, guys, like men are literally like this. There's nothing new here, but why does it hurt so bad? Oh, guys. And I'm so happy that we are all here as a collective in so much pain for another woman. There's nothing I loved more than a woman's revenge. Joyce, 10 out of 10. She should have done it even more. She should have found a woman with an even bigger viral load, because ain't no way. And I hope that all wives are like that in real life. Like, you know, it's like a little tale to us younger girls that perhaps if you really want revenge on a man, you need to take that into your own hands. Wenza into enhle kapha, wema wenza into enhle kapha, usisa uJoyce. Yo guys, she kunobe nje mina ngisifundile ke isifundo kusho sonke kumele siphenduke inkabi, because ain't no way, guys. She did so well. The man died such a painful death with a beautiful viral load. It looked like a gorgeous cocktail of everything syphilis, of everything crabs. I loved it. I loved it. Listen, the man was suffering. He was green. He was flake, guys. He was literally peeling like he got a chemical peel. He was so gross, and I was so happy. But Sunyati, beautiful, beautiful work. Zuma sisters, beautiful, beautiful work. Siyabonga kakhulu. Shout out to Netflix.
Hi guys, my 2 cents on The Polygamist. Yes, Zogoile guys, the show is for our past traumas. We hated our men and all of that. But now I'm coming positively. I'm coming to give flowers to whoever researched the part of gonorrhea and HIV ku Jonas. That research was done thoroughly. I'm coming as a nurse, ne? Lindani, is it Lindani, the youngest? When she miscarried the baby, it was because of the gonorrhea. If you do not treat an STI, it is not as severe to you, umdala, as it is to an unborn child. STIs are one of the untreated STIs are one of the causes of miscarriages. So that part was well thought of. I was so impressed. Secondly, Jonas not wanting to go to the clinic as indoda. That is what we are facing in the public facility. In fact, everywhere. Men do not like going to the clinic. They'd rather die. Jonas, he forgot that he was the one who was looking for every person who is a female and sticking his thing in those females. He forgot that part. He forgot that there's consequences to whatever you do. Now that he had gonorrhea and HIV, so I am coming here to give flowers to whoever researched that part. Oh, I was so impressed. I was like, as a practitioner, Sana, I was so impressed. I was really impressed.